Hey folks, Pick Daddy and Cletus here. Today's Sunday, and we got Bubba a good Sunday lunch. Today he's got pig pellets, a piece of catfish, some fried taters in there, some carrots, and I think a hush puppy over there. Ain't that right, Bubba? Get me out of here, boy! Dad loves you. Oh, Bubba, he's peeing and eating again. Oh, Bubba. Dad loves you whole bunches. That food good, Bubba? That good stuff, ain't it? Everybody eats good on Sunday, and you ain't no different. Ain't that right, Bubba? Oh, hog head. Daddy's boy. I love you, Bubba. I love you whole bunches. It's good lunch, ain't it? Good lunch. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Slurp, slurp, slurp. Get me out of here, boy. All right, y'all. We gonna get off here. Bubba gonna finish his Sunday lunch. We love y'all. Bye, Bubba. Love you.